This week on Pole House Bike Pop Weekend Getaways, we're at Stockton Lake for a car show. We didn't bring the Model T though.
Oh well.
What's on the menu?
We're going to do a sausage, could be sausage or beef, but we're doing a sausage cabbage stew.
So stick around.
Well, good morning, everybody. We have, oh, sorry. Alice wants to say good morning, too. Right, Alice? Yep, Alice just had her breakfast. And Annie is over here. Did you eat your breakfast yet, Annie? Yeah, you did. Annie ate her breakfast. So let me talk for a minute, Iris. So, hey, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Now you're on camera. Now let Daddy talk, okay? Okay? Morning, everybody. So, back to where we're at. We are, if you look through the edge of the trees right there, can't tell the difference between the sky and the water over there through there, but that is Stockton Lake. So we're in Loop A at the Cedar Ridge Corps of Engineers Campground. This is Site 16. These are all gravel. Hey, Russ, quit. Gravel pads, as you can tell. They're pretty nice. We're sloped downhill a little bit towards this road, but not bad at all. And these are like a typical campground, just like the kind of the lake at the state parks. Got a 30 amp plug. Of course, we got our table and a fire pit and a lantern hook. So we didn't film any last night because it was dark after we got here, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
And we set up and leveled up and kind of relaxed a little bit, and then
went to bed.
Went to bed. Yeah, we had the first time this year we've had to have the air conditioner because
we started off without it.
Well, we tried. That didn't work too good. So it's definitely feeling like summer already, even though it's still spring. It's middle of May, so we're gonna get things around here, and then we're gonna clue you in on what we're doing next. Well, here's one of the reasons we came down to Stockton Lake, was to come down to a car show. Not much here, but we try it out, check it anyway. Yeah, original plan was to, oh, Iris's face is in the way.
The parking for us is over here, honey.
Was to try to originally bring the Model T down, and then that way we could use our new camper trailer, our toy hauler as we call it. But we didn't have it ready yet, did we, Angel?
Nope.
So it got hot on us, and we don't have
windows, air conditioning.
Yeah, we have windows in it, air conditioning, none of that. So, and it got pretty warm, so I'm glad we didn't. So we went ahead and we already had reservations to the camping, so we went ahead and come down anyway with the other trailer. Since we got it back from Utah all fixed, so supposed to have breakfast and stuff, so we check that out too while we're here. So, all right, well, let's get out and have a little look around. Iris says hi. Oh, Iris.
So does Annie.
Annie says hi, don't you, baby?
Good morning. Stockton Lake is a lake of 24,900 acres with nearly 300 miles of tree-lined shoreline, and it offers sailing, fishing, and 10 campgrounds.
Stockton Lake, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Kansas City District, 1963 to 1972. Laying down here, there's one standing up, right there, are some of the core samples that they dug to check the stability for the foundation for the power site dam. These were drilled over 200 feet deep. There were 3 of them. And of course, this is a power dam. Of course, this is electricity for the area.
We are in campground, or Camp Loop A. This has primitive and 30th, right?
Yes. First part of the loop that they're primitive, but they are fairly secluded. So we kind of got some nice spots. It's kind of funny. Name of this campground is Cedar Ridge, right, Angel?
Yeah.
But pretty much all I see are hills and white oaks, which is I'm not complaining. It's beautiful. But it's kind of funny how they named it. One thing that I did notice that I don't know is really ideal, we just passed, before we turned down this road, it's been probably a quarter of a mile now, is the main shower house. So down here where the main campground is, seems like, you can see here, so here over to the right is the only restroom facilities, and that's a vault toilet right there. And we're back to our spot. Hi, girls.
They don't like each other at all, do they? Ira says, yes, Mommy, I don't like her at all. Send her back. Well, it's afternoon.
We got back from the car show and
A
took
tour of the campground.
and we went over by the dam and drove across the dam and at Stockton Lake Dam and looked at that a little bit.
We've
too,
had a
so
very lazy afternoon. Fact
Yep,
is, the
we have.
dogs and I went to sleep.
took a little nap.
Yeah, 2.5 hour nap, a little bigger than a little nap. It's nice to go camping and just relax. So it's time for supper. And as I've said before, I've gotten into the small batch canning. And one of the ladies I watch is Reed Homestead. I like her for several reasons. First of all, she gives you a word from your sponsor, which is God from the Bible. And she's got some pretty decent recipes that she has in short form. So I'm hoping I do this right. I've just watched her short a couple of times. And it's not got a name, so we're naming it beef or...
Yep.
Reed, she does some Rebel canning, and she makes an Alfredo sauce from scratch. Anyways, we're naming this recipe beef or sausage and cabbage stew. It's only got 4 ingredients.
It's a real easy one.
It's a real
Yeah.
easy one, especially when you spent 2.5 hours sleeping.
And we purchased Alfredo sauce that we
Uh-huh.
didn't have to, we didn't can it.
But it's still a pint jar, which is
Yeah.
the same amount.
And beef stock, or beef broth.
Yeah, beef broth. She had used her own home canned beef broth, and she used a whole head of cabbage. We don't need a whole head of
No,
cabbage.
that was just 2 of us.
So
Sure.
one variation I'm making, and I have made this before, but I used my home dehydrated cabbage for it, and it's good. I've had it.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna fix this and get things together, and you'll see me in just a minute.
All right, we'll be right back.
Okay, we're gonna get started. First thing you start off with is a pound of sausage. It could be Italian sausage, breakfast sausage, hot sausage. We had this at home. It's just regular old breakfast Bob Evans sausage, so we're using it. Or it could be hamburger. The one I fixed at home was hamburger. Break this up and get it cooking, and then we'll be right back to you. Okay, my sausage is pretty well done. Now the recipe calls for you to take this out. I think you lose some flavor when you do that. So I'm going to add 1 can of beef broth. And to that I'm going to add, now we had coleslaw the other day. We didn't use near all of it. So then I went to go get a bag of coleslaw from our local grocery store, and they didn't have any. Luckily I had a head of cabbage. So I cut up enough cabbage to fill this bag, add it to what we already had. It looks like a lot, but it cooks down quite a bit. So, I'm going to stir this, get it down in there, and I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cook. So we'll be back in a minute. Well, the cabbage is cooking, but it's not quite done yet. That's about the perfect amount for the amount of broth I got in there.
That's right.
Put this on and let it cook on a little more. Wait, come in here and look at this. See how good that's cooking?
Down.
Yep, it cooked down. Oh, it smells good too. So far we got 3 ingredients in there. It's got sausage, beef stock, and cabbage. We're gonna add our next ingredient because that's pretty well done. And see if you look down in there, it's not real overly wet now, is it?
Not supposed to be a soup.
Nope, it's supposed to be a soup, that's right. Now I'm just using store-bought Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna go get something and get all our goodie out of here. I went and got a tool to get the rest of this out because we are not like the other cooking shows. We don't like wasting the stuff in there. We get everything out we possibly can. Good enough. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to leave the lid off and let it sit down and cook down a little bit, and then we'll be eating. Ooh, that's hot. No, Leslie, that is not how it cooks. To start off with. What was that?
Iris, right here.
Iris. Well, honey, for a one-pot meal, it sure smells good, doesn't it? I just wish it was a little cooler out here. I think we'd enjoy it a little bit better.
Well, we originally planned it. We didn't think it was going to be this hot.
No, we didn't. It's still a lip burner. Oh, I like it.
Mm-hmm. I like it too.
Now, this is the first time he's had that. You're not lying, are you?
I like cabbage.
Yes, you do.
Stews
So,
and soups with cabbage in it anyway, so.
we're going to
That's
get
good.
to eating this. We're going to end it here. We're going to wait and see him in the morning.
Yeah, we might see in the morning. We don't have too much more planned, but we might see what
least
happens. We might see it in the morning.
After we pack up. So,
Yeah.
we're going to get to eating this.
Well, it's Sunday morning. We have gotten all packed up. Didn't have any other plans except for heading back home. So I guess we're going to go ahead and end this video here. So
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, which is a like, share us on Facebook or Instagram or whatever your social media site is. And what else do they need?
don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you
Yep,
next week.
leave any comments if you have any interesting things that you see or have questions for, and we'll.
Or state parks you think we need to visit.
Yeah, this was kind of neat comparative to Corps of Engineers compared to State Park, so it's kind of fun. So, all right, we'll see you all next week. Bye.